tried and tried some more. Told secrets till my voice was sore. Inside of empty conversations, 'cause no one hears me anymore. 100 million stories and 100 million songs. I feel stupid when I sing. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening. I talk to shooting stars, but they always get it wrong. I feel stupid when I pray. So why am I praying anyway? If nobody's listening, anyone, please send me anyone. Lord, is there anyone? I need someone. Anyone, please send me anyone. Lord, is there anyone? I need I used to crave the world's attention. I think I cried too many times. I just need some more affection. 100 million stories and 100 million songs. I feel stupid when I sing. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening. I talk to shooting stars, but they always get it wrong. I feel stupid when I pray. So why am I praying anyway? If nobody's listening, anyone, please send me anyone. Lord, is there anyone? I need someone. Anyone, please send me anyone. Lord, is there anyone? I need
Wow, well done, Kelly. Zoe, what did you think?
As soon as you started singing, I had goosebumps, like all the hairs on my arms started standing up. Your lower register sounded amazing in that song. The notes were just so beautiful and rich, and it was such a powerful and like raw performance. I loved it, like I literally loved it. You had the little blip in the middle, but you brought it back and you absolutely smashed it. Well done.
Kelly?
I agree with Zoe. I absolutely love your lower register. It's just so smooth and it's like chocolate. It's so beautiful and so controlled. I love how you like thinned the notes out in places and went from sort of like chest into your head voice, because it really added that vulnerability to that song. And then there were places where you just gave it so much guts. You know, it was just a really, really emotional performance. And you can see that you were relating that and that you were telling your own personal story. And that was beautiful to witness, so thank you for doing that.
Yeah, Keely, I'm not sure what happened there then in the middle, right? But first of all, I want to start by saying, by any standard, that was still incredible to watch. I think the fact that you, for whatever reason, and I think I know why, but obviously I don't want to say too much because it's your life and your place to say things. But that's fine. It's fine to have that breakdown in it. What we are seeing from you this season so far is somebody coming into this and who's truly wearing their heart and soul on their sleeve. And you are, with every performance, there is a meaning behind it. Every song, you say, I'm going to do this, and this is why, Joe. It connects to me with this, it connects to me with this. You have so much in your life and your story that you've had to deal with. And, you know, it's okay to come up here today and, like I said, do a song that's really close to you, that's still something that you are trying to succeed through in life. And the fact that you've got to lay that on the table sometimes can be a little bit, oh God, throw off, you know, it can shake you off. That's why it didn't matter to me. It made zero difference. If anything, it made it sound more raw, more real, more you, more connection, more feeling. And that's what I got from it. I felt like, oh, the fact that you can't even make a way through this all bang on like that is because you're feeling it so much. And you've got so much feeling when you're doing these songs, you put your heart and soul in. So take it as a credit. Take it as a credit because you're showing us you, who you are, what you're about, what you can share with the world. So keep doing it. Absolutely stunning. And you look amazing. Well done. Smashed it. Round of applause.